Hi guys, and for today's video, I'm going to be playing with slime. A lot of people have been asking for slime in our videos, so that's what we're doing today. I have something to hold it up so I can play with two hands. Yeah, the slime, let's open it. It's super glossy, you guys, look. Let's watch it. I have a few tricks you can do with it. So you have toilet paper. You got the toilet paper. And then you have your slime. And then you put this slime on top of the toilet paper. Like that. Wait, you gotta flatten the slime out. So you take like messy fingerprinted toilet paper on the top, like the top looks like that. And then you have to take your slime. You have to push it down again, like you did with the other one. Yeah. Place this slime onto the fingerprints. Okay. And then you take it off. So I love this. Sorry guys, I'm sorry about my voice. I just have a stuffy nose. Hold on, I need to blow my nose.